Hello and welcome back to ECS Coffee. My name is Rebecca and today I am here with Jacques from Philips.
Hi.
Hello, and we are going to be making a few delicious iced coffee recipes on the Philips 3200 iced coffee super automatic espresso machine. So Jacques, I'll let you kind of tell the gang what we are brewing today and what recipes we're making.
Yeah, so I do a lot of demos here and there, and these are basically three of my favorite recipes. The first one will be more of an ice cream based recipe.
Delicious.
Second one will be a little healthier. It's going to be more of a milk based iced coffee. And then the third one will be a high energy drink.
Cool, I love that. I'm super excited. Okay, so let's just get right into it. This is, if you haven't watched our video on the overview of the 3200 from Philips iced coffee super automatic machine with the LatteGo system, go ahead and watch that. We'll put the link just up in the corner here for you guys. So just click on that if you want to learn more about the machine. This machine has a lot of functions, but the newest one is the iced coffee feature, which we are going to be utilizing today. So for the first recipe, what kind of supplies do we need?
So basically, we're going to need a glass with some ice in it.
Okay.
And then again, we talked about the height that we can do. We can actually just take the milk container out of here. We won't be needing it.
Perfect.
And then we are going to select basically iced coffee. We're going to make this one a little stronger, a little more volume.
Okay.
And then let's just make the coffee.
Easy peasy.
Second part of the recipe will be, and basically this is ice cream mix, so it's basically what you make like soft ice cream, like pour in those big machines and all that.
Like just like melty kind of ice cream. So throw it in the microwave for 20 seconds and you're good to go.
Exactly.
Love that.
So number one, let's get our coffee brewed.
And so this is brewing iced coffee. And for those that don't know, what's the process for this machine doing the iced coffee function?
So basically we're lowering the temperature of the coffee, so about by 20 degrees, and we're lowering the flow rate of the machine, so we're extracting more taste out of the coffee. So you're really gonna have that authentic taste from your coffee. And again, we chose your favorite Colombian coffee today. Always a medium roast. We don't want it too bitter. We don't want it too strong either.
So, and it looks, so this looks super delicious. We did try the iced coffee earlier, just like plain, and the flavors are intact, the tasting notes are intact. As a person who drinks primarily just black, Americano or espresso, it was finding like a good iced coffee is difficult because a lot of the time it's too sour or too bitter.
Exactly.
Or just kind of yucky. But this was so smooth, rounded, just delicious. So even if you're looking to do just this and drink it as is, you'll be completely satisfied because it's yummy.
This is 100% drinkable.
So good.
0 calories in coffee.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna add the calories in it.
Yeah. Get a little sweetness in there. Oh my gosh.
So basically,
that looks so good.
You would pay $10 for a drink like this anywhere else.
Oh, cafes are doing like the cold foam, which is similar to this, but the sweet cold foam, but not as like creamy and yummy.
But let's kick it up a notch.
Okay.
Let's add a little bit of strawberry in here.
Strawberry. Delicious.
And then I will just grab this.
Give it a stir.
Give it a little
Oh my gosh. So we're using Torani syrups for this. We love using Torani syrups for making any kind of like flavored, oh my gosh, delicious, flavored beverages. I got a bit of an ice cream mustache.
You do.
Oh my gosh, but that's like
the summer drink.
It's so good. It's super refreshing.
Yes.
The strawberry was a nice touch. Oh my gosh. I mean, you could do anything in here. You could do like vanilla, caramel, chocolate, anything, but the strawberry gives it like a...
It just gives it that nice little sweetness, that nice summer.
That's so good.
Yes.
I have to stop drinking that. Oh my
Yes.
gosh, that's so delicious. Wow, that's, I'll be making that at home for sure. Amazing. And so simple. So
Very, very simple.
like literally just 4 ingredients, one of them being ice,
Yes.
espresso, specifically using the iced coffee function on a machine like the 3200 is optimal. Using melted ice cream, and then any kind of flavoring syrup that you would like to add a
Yes.
little bit of extra kick. Delicious.
Yeah. So now let's make a second recipe,
Okay.
a little more simple
Sure.
with things you can commonly have around the house.
Okay.
So basically we're gonna start off with some maple syrup. I love maple syrup, it's natural, it has beautiful natural sugars in it.
And we're in Canada, so of
We're in
course we're gonna
Canada.
have some maple syrup.
So let's do this one a little different.
Okay.
I'm gonna pour just a little touch of this maple
Yum.
syrup here. We will directly pour the milk into our glass. And here, we're gonna make the same iced coffee. We're just gonna lower a little bit the quantity
Sure.
and go in. So once we have all this in, it's just gonna mix in nice and beautifully. It's gonna have a nice lighter taste than the first drink you tried.
Okay.
And it's just gonna give you that nice summer freshness and what you expect out of a nice coffee drink.
Well, okay, the first one really set the bar pretty high, so I'm excited to try the rest of them. And I see we have some like lemons here, so I want to know what's
Yes.
that all about. Okay, this looks yummy. I love maple syrup myself. I'm a true Canadian. We're using regular maple syrup for this beverage,
Yes.
but we could use, again, with the tranny, if you don't have syrup at home, or you are somebody that uses the tranny syrups at home, they do have a maple flavor one as well. It has the pump that you can purchase as well, so it's portioned out and easy to portion. Using the same coffee, again, the Colombian. Oh, that looks so yummy.
And again, you get the separation because
Little
of the
layering.
density
Yeah.
of the milk
Yeah.
and all this. We
Give it
will
another stir.
Give this one a little whirl. Look at this color.
Okay, so it smells delicious.
You'll
I'm gonna give it another stir. Let me get that maple syrup
There
stirred
you
up
go.
in there.
it's
I could drink maple syrup by the spoonful for sure.
yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, the maple syrup is so subtle, and it adds such a complementary sweetness to the coffee that we're using, which is awesome. I also love that it's
Lighter.
it's not as in your face.
And it just has that perfect balance between
Yeah.
coffee, a
Yeah.
little bit of milk, and that sweetness.
A lot of the time when you go and you get an iced coffee that is sweetened from a cafe or something, it's I find somebody that doesn't like things that are overly sweet, that is often too sweet.
Yes.
It's like way, way, way too sweet. It's not enjoyable. You end up feeling a little sick afterwards. So this is delicious. I love this.
It is. And again, you know, you can make these optimal drinks with the Philips Iced Coffee Machine.
Yep.
It's just, but I know you're into sports. It's summertime. You want to have that summertime fitness.
Yeah.
So let's get into an energy drink.
Okay.
I know you've been waiting for this one.
I do. I am. I'm excited.
So basically, we're going to choose iced coffee. I will go full on the coffee grain, so we're going to make it very strong.
Okay. Love that.
I will stop and I will add some lemon wedges directly in here.
So lemon may seem a little funny with coffee. However, it will help to bring out the citrus notes in the coffee. So I've had some coffee with some lemonade before and some orange juice, and it was surprisingly okay. I'm super excited to try this. I like how it's pouring right over the lemon too.
Yes.
And I drink, like, lemon water is what I love lemon water. So lemon water plus coffee is pretty much the perfect recipe for me.
Yeah,
which is
and
amazing.
Again, caffeine gives you, it's not too much caffeine
Yep.
because obviously it's less caffeine than drip coffee, but
Yes.
it's going to give you that extra zest. And with the lemon, it's fat burning. So
Yep.
it's just really the optimal energy drink for summertime.
I love that. And it'll be so refreshing too.
Yes. And look at this color. It's
looks
just
gorgeous.
absolutely amazing.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right. It's pouring.
So again, I didn't fill up the glass. I just wanted to make sure we can extract the majority
Yeah.
of the taste. I'm not going to stir this one because I just let it go in naturally,
Yep.
and we don't want to overpower with the
For sure.
lemon.
Okay.
But give this a try.
Oh, a super strong lemon flavor. Oh, it's good. It's a little too sour.
And that happens because lemon.
I'm gonna add some cane sugar.
Absolutely.
Okay. So I'm adding the Tyranny cane sugar. I'm gonna add just, start with 1 cup.
I don't think you're going to need much more. It's just to balance
Just to
out
balance
that
it out?
taste.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, it's my favorite. I thought the ice cream one was my favorite. This is my favorite. This is so delicious.
It's delicious.
It's so refreshing.
Very low calories.
Yeah.
And it's just the perfect drink. Give you a lot of energy during the day.
It kind of, it reminds me a little bit of like a really fresh iced tea with lemon,
Yes.
but with a stronger flavor, which I like because I like the coffee. And the lemon is really bringing out the orange citrus notes in the Colombian espresso. So I would definitely recommend looking for a coffee that has some kind of like fruity notes if you're doing this one, because it enhances it. It's like an explosion of flavor in my mouth. It's amazing.
And with the Philips iced coffee machine, so easy to prepare.
Yeah, that was like, it took like 30 seconds. Like that was
Yes.
the easiest thing ever. And then, yeah, you guys can add whatever kind of syrup or sweetener you like. Like
Yeah.
if you wanted to do like no calorie sweetener, if you wanted to do like a stevia, you can do that.
Exactly.
Possibilities are endless. This is going to be like the machine of the summer because of this iced coffee feature with all of these beautiful and delicious beverages that you can make. And it's the flavor that you get from the iced coffee is good. You're not losing any kind of quality when you're brewing that way on this unit because of how it's adjusting.
Exactly. The
I
flow
love it.
rate and everything, it's just giving you that perfect taste of that coffee. It's extracting the maximum of the taste.
Yeah, this is amazing. This is really good. I love this so much. I can't get over it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, that was fantastic. I am going to probably have 3 more of these, and this is my new drink for sure. So thank you for that. And thank you for watching. Let us know if you make any of these beverages at home. Let us know how you feel about the 3200. Do you have it at home? Are you trying some of these recipes? Make sure you follow us on all of our social media channels. Hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with our content, and make sure to like our video. If you like our content, you like this video. And thank you, Jacques, for all of my coffees, and thank you for joining us today. It was a pleasure.
Pleasure being here.
It was amazing. Thank you guys, and we will see you again.